Are you thinking of moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico? Well, in this video, we are going to go to the community of Telshor. This is the community we are going to talk about in this video. Now, we will walk through some of the communities, 3 homes, 3 different price points. Maybe one of these will fit your budget. So stick around to the end, and when I share with you why I am here, standing here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Is this your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Las Cruces, New Mexico? Then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications, and be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar, my wife is Tanya. We get calls and emails from people just like you thinking of moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 1 week or 12 weeks, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. All right, guys, welcome back. We are at our first home here on the area of Telshor. Now, Telshor, it is east of I-25, okay, and it's south of Sonoma West, the community or the area of Sonoma West. Now, as you can see, these homes are townhomes, so they do share a wall. Like in this case over here, you do have one shared wall right there where the garages are, okay? The garages is shared, it's the walls are butted up against each other. And then we do have over here another shared wall right here with the garage, okay? So it is a town home. Now, this home here is built in 1981. This is a well-established community here, okay? And there is several townhomes, and when we do the tour, you'll be able to see. This is just so you can get a view of some of the homes right here, your neighbors, right? So now, the Telshor area has a lot to offer. There's a mall, probably like 2-3 minutes from here. There is restaurants for food everywhere, okay? There's also an elementary in this area. So it has a lot going for it, and it is very close to the downtown area of Las Cruces. So this house, this townhome, is listed for $235,000, okay? And it has about 1,136 square feet, built in 1981. Now, this home has a 2-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath. So it is a 2-bedroom. The features of this home is that it does have plenty of natural light that come into the home. It has nice windows, so you can open up and a lot of light comes in. You know, you can sit outside and you can see the sunset, which is really nice. So it does have a good sized living room. Once again, it is a 2-bedroom. It does have a fireplace. You can be nice, warm, cozy. If you like to just sit down and view the fireplace, well, then you can do that and enjoy, you know, something about looking at fire. It seems really nice, right? Now, also the back of the house is a nice green lawn. And remember, it is shared, so you will be able to see your other neighbors. There's nothing dividing it. So it has a really nice landscaping feature that it's really nice about this house. All right, guys, let's go take a drive, look at the community. That way you guys can see, you know, where you guys would be. All right, let's drive. Okay, guys, we are at our second home here in the area of Telshor. As you can see, this is a well-established community. Let me show you a little bit before we talk about the home. We got some big pine trees there. So this will tell you, right? When you see big trees like that, it means communities have been here for a while. And once again, you are close to a lot of things that you can do, the mall, food, etc. Well, this next home is a 3.5 bath, okay? 2-car garage, as you can see over here. Look at that nice cactus tree, huh? Anyway, it's a big one. All right, so as you can see, this is the home. It's a really nice home here. 2-car garage. It actually sits on 0.68, more than a half an acre. As you go through the front door, there is a good sized living room. There's also a nice fireplace. Once again, it comes with the feature of a nice fireplace, so you can, in the winter. Now let's talk about the winters here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. The winters here are a little cold, maybe because we're so used to the heat, but in reality, if you come from other states where it's super cold, New York, Chicago, you know, out more east, then it's not as, you're not going to be cold. But some of us do have to pull out the sweater or the jacket during the winter. Well, it does have large windows. The home features large windows. That way there's a lot of natural light coming in. There is tile throughout the whole house except the bedrooms. There is carpet. Now your backyard, remember, you're on more than a half an acre. So the backyard, there's a lot of area. It's desert landscape. So it has that feature. Very low on maintenance when it comes to desert landscaping. So, and plus you get views of the mountains. And let me see if I can get, you know, top of the house, there is views of the mountains as well. Let me see if we can go up here just a little bit so we can get a view of the mountains. So I can show you when you come out on your front door right there, you can view the mountain. Let me show you right now. Let me get over here more. All right, hopefully it won't fall. Let's get you a view of the mountain over there. So this is one of the communities where you can actually also have really nice views because they're all staggered throughout, you know, on hills here. All right, let's go take a drive. See the community drive tour. All right, guys, we are at our last home here on Telshor. Just so you can get a little view, right? Here we go. Now, this next home is listed for $349,000, and it has around 2,131 square feet, built in 1974. As you can see, this home does have a 2-car garage, and I'll feature it right now. This house, as you can see, is a brick home.
Something about brick, I don't know, I just really like that.
But anyways, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It has a really nice living room here, and it also has a fireplace, so you can enjoy a nice fireplace here on this house during the winter. Now, this home does have vaulted ceilings, so they're really high, really nice. It has a lot of natural light, especially in the breakfast nook. There's like 3 windows that curve like that. So it's really nice. It also does have a nice green backyard, okay? And it has an in-ground pool. So whether the heat is really hot during the summer, it's okay. You can just dive in the pool and feel nice and cool. All right, guys, why don't we go ahead and take a tour, take a drive around so we can see the rest of the neighborhood, okay? All right, now stick around till the end. Remember, I got something for you at the end of our videos. Stick around. Let's drive. All right, guys, I want to thank everyone for sticking around to the end. Hopefully you liked the tour of the community of Telshor. Now, where am I at? I am here at the mall. All right, one place you want to visit. Now, Telshor, like I said, has a lot of things to offer. One of them is there's still a mall here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Now, there's a lot of places to go out to eat. For example, we have Buffalo Wild Wings, we have Five Guys, we have McAllister's, We have Fidencio's Mexican food. We have, this is a steakhouse, I believe Cattle Barons. And then over there on that side, we have Cane's. We have Freddy's. We have Chipotle. We have a lot. This Telshor community has a lot to offer as far as food, and also a lot of people just like to come to the mall and walk around. You know, it's a good place to walk around. So if you're out visiting Las Cruces, New Mexico, you're hungry, you want to go, you know, you want something to eat, well, come on out here. If you want to visit or if you're looking for a home, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move over here to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Thanks for watching the videos. If you want to leave any comments, please go ahead. Thank you. We'll see you on the next video.